So for this tutorial I'm gonna use two colors. Okay, let me fix this. I'm gonna use the green and I'm gonna use the gray, and we'll make the scallop stitch pouch. I'll start first with my green color and I'm gonna chain 35. So we'll make a slip knot and I will make the chain. So pull the yarn through the loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have chained 35 here, and now what I'm gonna do, as for every pouch we do, we're gonna work in rounds. Okay, we will be working in rounds, means first I will make one single crochet in each of these stitches until the end of my row. So from the second chain from the hook, I will insert my hook, pull through 2. Okay. On the next chain I will insert my hook, pull through 2, and I will be doing the same as I said till the end of the row. Then again I'll show you how to proceed to the opposite side. Okay, so I have done my first row of single crochet and now I'm at the end of my work. This is where I work the last stitch. Okay, and then now I will add 2 more single crochet to turn to this side. So 1 single crochet and another single crochet, and I'll make sure my work is tightened. Now this is the opposite side of the initial chain, which is this one, and now I will go with a single crochet again all around this row. So this is my first, where is it? Okay, this is my first chain here. I'll make 1 single crochet, my next one, and in every one till the end of the row. At the end of the round I will add 1 more single crochet, and then I will join with a slip stitch, and then we'll start the next round where we'll see what we should be doing. Okay, so now again I'm at the end of this round, and then I did the single crochet on the last chain, and then again I will add 1 more single crochet and then a slip knot in the beginning, single crochet to close this round. Okay, and now I will start working my scallop stitch in round as well to shape the pouch, and I'll show you in a while how to do that. So now working on my scallop stitch, what I'm gonna do is chain 1 single crochet in the first. Okay, so chain 1 single crochet in the same stitch, then I will skip this 2. On the next one I will make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will skip 2 again and 1 single crochet on the next one. So here I have made one row of the scallop stitch. So I have made 5 double crochet, skip 2, 1 single crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochet until the end of this row. Now I'm into the turning point. I did here 5 double crochet, then in turning I will skip 2 and I will make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, and this is the turning point, as you can see, and then I will skip 2 again and 5 double crochet in the next stitch. Again, we'll keep doing that until the end of the round, where we will close with a slip stitch and we'll start our next row. This is a very easy pattern and a very nice one. It gives very pretty result at the end. Okay, so this is the end of my round again. Now I will skip again 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and 1 single crochet into this last one. That's it. And I will fasten off with this, I will close the round with a slip stitch. And here I will start my next row. So I have chain 3 here, and now we'll do half cluster or half scallop, which is total of 3 double crochet only instead of 5. And now, as usual, I will skip 2 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and I will skip 2 and 5 double crochet in the next stitch. So exactly the same as before. Skip 2 stitches, 1 single crochet, skip 2 stitches, 5 double crochet. So your 5 double crochet will be worked on top of the previous single crochet, and your single crochet will be worked on top of the previous 5 double crochet. And now again I'll skip 2, 1, 2, and on top of the previous cluster 1 single crochet. I'll skip 2 and on top of the previous single crochet 5 double crochet. I will continue doing the same till the end of my round 2, and then we'll be changing the color, and I'll show you how I will introduce a new color. So here I've finished my row of the scallop stitch, and this is what it gives for now. Oh, this is the front sides. Okay, and here I'm gonna fasten off and introduce a new color. Okay, so this is how it looks after 2 rows of the same color, and now I'm gonna introduce a new color. I have made a magic loop here, and then from any corner or any space I can start. So I'm starting from the previous single crochet, where I'll chain 3 and add 4 more double crochet to form the cluster of 5. So inserting my hook in any of the previous single crochet, I will join, chain 3, and then 4 double crochet in the same chain stitch. So I have 5, and then skip 2 in the next one single crochet as we have worked before, skip 2, a cluster again, and we'll do the same for 2 more rows, or 1 more row, excuse me, of the same color. Actually it depends on you for how many rows you want to use the same color. We'll just be working again in rounds. 5. Okay, so here I have finished my pouch already, and then here I'm ending up with a single crochet all around to even my work before I put the zipper. So here I have fastened off here with the last scallop stitch, and then in the next stitch, which is this one, so this is the closing one here, and then this one I'll make 1 single crochet. So 1 single crochet here, and in the next one, and each one until I turn back to where I started, and then I'll fasten off and insert or introduce a zipper. Okay, so here again I'm at the end where I'll finish my last single crochet. So 1 here, and then I will fasten off in the beginning of my work with a slip stitch, and then I'll pull through and I'll cut my thread. So this is my finished pouch. I will just hide my thread along, and then I will, as I said, introduce the zipper inside. And so it's very easy. As I said, I will put the link in the description box for the how to crochet the scallop stitch. Otherwise the work will be in rounds, as we have said, for the pouch. Or if you want to make it even easier, you can make one piece of the scallop stitch which is tall, then you fold it and then you stitch both sides from here, and then it will give the same, almost the same result. But since I learned how to make it in rounds, it's easier and better to do it that way. So this is the finished product. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.